YouTube, welcome back to another video regarding the Dell Latitude D505. In the last video we installed Windows ME, and in this video we are going to be installing the drivers. But first of all, to use the CD-ROM so we can install the drivers, we need to solve the driver conflict that is conflicting with the DMA controller. Now this happens with Windows 95, Windows 98 and Windows ME, and what we need to do, we need to go into System, go into Device Manager, and then we'll see the standard dual PCI IDE controller. We need to go on there and it will tell us that it's causing a resource conflict. So we need to go down, we need to go to resources, uncheck use automatic settings because we don't need that. Then you want to go down to input output range where it says BFA0 BFAF. We want to click on that and then press change settings, and then we want to type in FFF0-F. Why did the 0 not go in? 0-FFFF. So that is FFF0-FFFF, and that should work fine. It should free up the conflict with the DMA controller, and we just press OK, and it'll give us a warning. These settings you have selected conflicts with another device. To select a different resource setting, click no. To continue, click yes, and we just want to click yes and then press OK and then press yes, and as you can see it's found our primary IDE controller and our secondary IDE controller, and then we want to press restart your computer, and that's that problem sorted. I'm not sure what the other resource it conflicts with. I'm not aware of any other conflict that shows up. I'm just going to boot from disk as I still have the disk inserted. Let me just get this out of the way. There we go. Okay, now let me just find the disk that I have put the Dell drivers on. Let's just put that into there, and then just wait for it to load, and there we can see our compact disk drive. We should be able to open that. It might open automatically. There we go. We're going to press OK, click next. Now this disk is specifically for the Dell Latitude D505. I got it off Internet Archive. There was another Dell Latitude CD on there, but it's for other models. I'm just going to click next. Detecting hardware, operating system. We have got Windows 2000 or Windows XP, so all of these drivers here will be compatible, and we are going to install everything including the applications. So let's get started with the audio. Need to scroll down and here somewhere, extract there, continue, press yes. Now I installed Windows 2000 on here because of the 512 MB RAM limit. Like I said in the previous video, if you know of any lightweight OSs that I could use on this laptop, let me know in the comments and I will create a video of that OS being installed onto the Dell D505, as it really helps me to get content out to you guys. Okay, we want to boot from hard disk. Let's see if the sound works, because it didn't work in Windows 98. PCI multimedia, specify a location. Okay, I didn't browse drive A. There, let's go into here, B in here. Okay, let's see if that's installed. Do we get any sound? Obviously not. Okay, control panel. Let's see why it's not working, because we installed it. Multimedia audio device. There. Driver. Update driver. Okay, doesn't want to install it. Display list of drivers. We need sound, obviously. Was it creative? Intel. No, it's not that one. Crystal. No, it's not that one. Analog devices. I have no idea why that's not working. Let's try it again. This is the same problem I had with Windows 98. The sound driver would not install. Can we install these? install. Let's see now if we can go to control panel and then go to system, device manager. No, it doesn't want to. Look on there. That's not work. I wonder why it's not work. Let's try it again. Sigmatel IC97. Okay, so let's restart again and see what happens. Okay, so what would it be under? It's obviously not going to come underneath. It's not showing up under sound. USB audio device. Coming up under there. As there. Okay, that was not working. It's just going to say it's installed again, so I'm just going to have to have no sound. Let's go to settings and control panel. Can't see sound. Gaming options. Oh, there's sound of multimedia. Now playback device. Okay, so it's saying the sound drivers are installed, but they are not working. So let's just continue installing the other drivers, see if these enable. I saw Windows 98 there, but I couldn't get it to work on Windows 98. Yes, let's restart. Let's see what this finds. I'm so glad from Windows XP onwards, there's none of this trouble installing drivers, and especially now with Windows 10 and 11, we take advantage of plug and play very easily. And we need to restart again. Still, the sound doesn't want to install. That'll probably be something I'll have to try and figure out off camera as to why it won't install. Maybe it's a driver problem. Oh, that's nice. We've lost the CD drive again. So I'm guessing that we have another conflict again. But what's it conflicting with? Let's see what this does. Nothing, apparently. So we're just going to go down to there, and as you can see, it's changed this setting again, and direct memory access controller, and we need to set it to FFF00 FFFF unknown. Okay, so you're just going to press yes, and we're going to have to restart again. Yes, let's restart. There's a lot of restarting with Windows ME and Windows 98. Okay, got stuck there. There we go. Maybe the updates will fix the sound, if there's any updates, which I will look around for. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's update this driver. Okay, so how do we Windows CD-ROM? Is that now going to work? So now we should have our CD drive back and can continue installing drivers. Okay, so now we are going to install the Texas Instruments driver. Not found. Pretty sure it is found. Let's have a look. Was it this one? Configuring Windows installer. Is it this one? Wrong OS or version. Okay. Windows 2K. Okay then, so we might have to install it manually again. Device manager, Ethernet, PCI card. Is it that one? Driver. Let's see. PCI card. Okay. Specify the location. Browse. Okay then. Let's close that. Go to Dell. Drivers. Windows. 2K. Okay. Unable to locate software for this device. Okay, so it's not that one. USB device. Serial bus. Network. Ethernet controller. Okay, so guess that one's not going to work either. Can we install one of these? Install and install that. I don't know if these even do anything. Let's go to control panel, system, device manager, and then press refresh. Okay, reinstall driver. CD-ROM, hard disk controllers, HID, other detected devices, all devices have disk. Dell, drivers, Windows 2K. Let's try that. Then 2K. Let's try this one. No. Drivers. Browse. Dell. Drivers. Windows. Okay. No. Okay then. So that one doesn't work. What about the XP drivers? Can we use those? Nope. Okay then. So that can't be the right driver for that. Multimedia, audio device. Next, all devices have a disk. Windows 2000. Okay then, wasn't that one? Was it this one? WDM. Okay then. Detected devices. Intel. Okay, so I have to leave those two. So that one didn't work. Can we go back? Let's install the modem driver. I don't get why half of these drivers are not working. I really don't. So now what do we do? Well, it's still going apparently. Okay, I'm not sure what's happening with this. I'm just gonna return. You see the problems I'm having. Okay, let's try and install the touchpad driver. Let's see if that'll install at least. Only Windows 2000 is support. I thought this was 2000. Oh dear me. Can someone help me? Is Windows ME not Windows 2000? I'm confused. That's finished apparently. Set up. Only Windows 2000 is supported. I'm not sure. Sure this is this detected Windows 2000. Texas Instruments. Okay, let's try that. Let's try the infrared. Let's see if that works. Windows 2000 not found. Setup will now terminate. Okay, do we not have Windows 2000 on here? Okay, let's try this. System software utility. Setup cannot run on this machine. Okay, so I'm guessing that this is not Windows 2000. Okay. Return. Let's try the graphics. See what this is installing. Let's try and get the graphics driver to install. Oh, well, that's very nice. So that one doesn't work either. So I'm gonna have to try and find Windows 2000. Applications and utilities. Dell OS tools. Okay. Let's see what this is. Okay, that's just Java. My system, and that's probably why it's not detecting. Okay then. So I guess that's going to be the end of this video. I'm sorry for that disappointment. I thought Windows ME was Windows 2000, as that I'm sure 2000 was the millennium. I could be wrong, so I'm sorry for that disappointing video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video when I'll be trying to install Windows 2000 on this laptop, which I thought I had already installed.